This is Bubba Shack food review. Today, Bubba is going to do a food review on some almond vanilla milk. Look at that bad boy there. And some cookies. What do you think of that there, Bubba?
Well, no. I think I'd like these cookies.
Go on, tear into them, man. Eat a cookie, boy.
And that'd be pretty good. I can't get them open. No, you carry them on the field. That's gonna be all of that.
I mean, they must be childproof, ain't they?
Yeah, they childproof.
Can't even get a pack of cookies open.
Yeah, I found them.
Go on, tear into one, eat one. Tell the world how good them are.
Well,
Do you like cookies?
ooh, it tastes like bark.
Bark? Tastes like bark.
Like you eating bark on the street.
Tear into that milk right there. The cookies taste like bark?
Yeah, they taste like bark on the street.
Take a big old drink of that almond milk right there. Great God, man. Is that good?
Well, pretty good. Damn. I felt like I needed a fort. But the damn fort backed up my ankle. Oh my God. Gut real good.
Hey, get into that cookie there. Show everybody how good them cookies are.
Well, let me try the fort first.
No, man.
No, I can't fort. Oh God, I can't take them too.
You can't take one?
I don't like it.
You don't like them cookies?
I just don't like it. They taste like dog bites.
They taste like what?
Dog bites.
Dog bites?
Dog thing.
Well, you know.
God damn, anything.
Damn,
Them
Bo.
things don't taste good at all.
You know what? I believe they are dog cookies, ain't they?
Are they really?
They might be dog cookies. You know?
I believe they are.
I believe you got a pack of dog cookies you're trying to eat. How about that milk right there?
Well, they smell pretty good.
Is it good? How you like that outfit, Bubba?
I kind of like this outfit with his hat. It's kind of good hunting. Good hunting outfit.
Good hunting? Man, you don't reckon a deer see you a mile away with that blue jacket on.
Well, when you go hunting, you just in case it rains, you might feel a little bit better. In case it rains real hard, and then with the hat on, you feel like
I feel like Ted Nugent.
Ted Nugent or either Pocket Old Dundee.
Well, Bubba, this is a food review.
Or either Bubba Shack on a
Get it out.
Tunga.
Get it out. What is it?
Bubba Shack's on the
what? Tell me now.
on
What?
The jungle road.
I didn't think.
Let's put it like that.
I didn't think you was gonna get it out.
He's down through the tundra and ready to rock and roll.
You boy half crazy, ain't you, Bubba?
And when I come out to a road, I'll be limousine riding.
Oh God,
Bubba. Down that profile of the son of a gun. And I'm gonna tell you what else too, buddy. I'm Big Papa Poop, the big bad booty daddy.
What's that holler you do? Look, Bubba, we doing a food review. Get back on track. This is on almond, vanilla milk, and dog cookies.
Almond joy barbecue. They look like barbecue.
Barbecue?
Yeah, I thought it was barbecue. Look, it's milk.
Is that what it is?
Vanilla milk. I thought it was almond barbecue.
All right, Bubba. Well, tell them what you're doing.
I'm doing a little cookie cookie thing here with the almond vanilla. And I don't know, it tastes like dog bites, but I guess it's all right. I'll eat them too.
All right, Bubba. You want to tell the world goodbye?
Yeah.
Just.
I love this world. And the big bad booty daddy says,
Uh-oh.
how do you like the world now? Woo! We're getting ready to
Get it out. What's that?
big
What?
Donald Trump coming back again.
All right. Tell them what
I
Popeye
love
says.
Donald Trump. Donald Trump. Donald Trump.
All right.
And he said,